Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're gonna make some quick cold calls just to show you guys how to make cold calls in the midst of a pandemic. I know a lot of you guys are afraid due to the lockdown. You're wondering if you can still get clients. Yes, you can, ladies and gentlemen. I just signed up a $4,000 a month client or more just a couple of days ago. And guess what? Business owners need your help right now, okay? They're not getting as many phone calls. They still need someone to set up their social media, Google ads, and all you guys got to do is pick this phone up and make calls, okay? And if you guys want my 4-step process on what I do and how I built a 6-figure agency, click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and you guys will get the blueprint to building an agency. So I'm gonna make some cold calls right now, ladies and gentlemen. And here's my mindset before I make cold calls. If you're brand new, you're afraid to make calls, you don't know what to do, you wanna make about $5,000 to $10,000 a month, this is all you gotta do, ladies and gentlemen, is grab your phone, grab your script, grab your rebuttals. That's all included in the link in the description. Just click that, and you just get on Yelp, Craigslist, AdWords. You can even find businesses on Facebook. It's literally an opportunity for you to get leads for free, and all you have to do is contact the business owners, okay? Yeah, you can do the Looms, the Zooms, you can do the outreach on Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatnot. That stuff works, but nothing beats making live dial. Nothing beats it. It's the fastest way to go from zero to making $10,000 a month in 30 to 60 days flat, okay? I built the 6-figure agency my first year just simply picking up the phone, okay? Typically, if you're brand new, you want to set aside a minimum of about 1 to 2 hours a day to make your calls, okay? I'm going to dive right into this. I'm going to make a couple calls. I'm going to book some appointments. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is when you have the right system and you really want this to happen. You got to have a burning desire to build an agency, okay? A lot of you guys just don't want it. You know that you should be making cold calls, but you're not doing it. So you have to pick this phone up and make calls. Yes, people are going to tell you no. So what? But the majority of the people are going to tell you yes, all right? And when they do tell you or give you an objection, ladies and gentlemen, you got to have rebuttals, okay? And I have a list of rebuttals that I use when I get objections, okay? So if you guys want those, click the link in the descriptions. I'm ready to have fun. Now, we are calling during a pandemic, and a lot of you guys have been asking me, Maurice, can you still make calls in the midst of a pandemic? Yes, you can. And let me show you guys exactly what I mean, all right? So I'm gonna make some dials, and we're gonna have some fun. So kick back, relax, grab a soda, grab some chips, and watch a pro make phone calls in the midst of a pandemic where everybody else is watching Netflix. I'm making calls, making money. And if you guys want to be a part of this, click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, and you guys can build a 6-figure agency literally in 30 to 60 days, okay? Business owners are so much open now. They understand that they need a marketing company. They need your help, okay? Now, when you get these business owners, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do is set outsourcing up. You can also sign up for the course, and I show you guys how to outsource. So you get the client, and you can have somebody else to set the Facebook ads up, or you can do it yourself, okay? But I typically recommend new people just have someone else to set the ads up for you, and then you pretty much will be able to collect that money, collect that monthly $1,000 to $2,000 a month, and pay somebody else a few $100s to run the ads for you. It's a simple process. You just got to roll your sleeves up and go to work, okay? Without work, there is no success, okay? A lot of you guys want something from nothing. You don't want to invest in yourself. Then, ladies and gentlemen, this is not for you. You might as well get a job, because this is for the people that are serious, that really want to help people, and that want to make a lot of money, because you can have as many clients as your heart desire. There's so many business owners right now that would love for you to call them and help them set their ads up. And let me prove to you guys how this is done. So I'm just gonna randomly call a couple people and send them my information. I'm gonna show you guys how simple this is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Hello, this is Yuri.
Hey Yuri, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. I have found your ad on Craigslist. I just had a quick question for you.
Sure.
Yeah, I was wondering, Yuri, are you guys interested in generating some flooring leads for your business?
Not interested right now.
Well, Yuri, many people I'm talking to are telling me the same thing you did before they find out what we do. Are you guys only advertising on Craigslist, or what else are you guys doing to get the phone ringing?
I work at Home Depot a lot, so
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And how are you getting any action off Craigslist? I know you're posting your ad constantly looking for jobs.
Well, yeah, I'm getting some jobs off Craigslist, but I'm staying busy, so I'm not really looking for any leads at the moment.
Okay. Is that why why are you on Craigslist?
I'm just getting some side jobs. I mean, I'm staying busy, but
Yeah, just you need a little extra. I mean, let's level with me, Yuri. We specialize in we. Sp- no. I'm not with Home Advisor. My company is RMI, and we specialize in social media. We work with other flooring companies, and we're getting phenomenal results. And I know guys personally that I've talked to that work for Home Depot, and they would much rather generate their own because I know Home Depot gets a cut of that. So, and then right now we're in the midst of a pandemic, and a lot of people don't know that homeowners are still looking for contractors. You know, they're getting stimulus checks and their taxes are, done. And guess what? They got money to spend. So what I want to do, Yuri, I'll send you over some information. I'm not trying to sell you on the phone, but I do want to let you know that, there's some better options to get quality contracts where you can make 5-10 grand a pop on flooring. Okay. So I'll send you some information if you're open. Take a look at it, and if it makes sense, then I will be happy to keep your phone ringing right now.
yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Email me.
Okay.
I think I heard. Where is it? Social media?
Yeah, we specialize in social media. Are you familiar with social media?
I mean, yeah, I think I've seen you guys on. Yeah, I think I've seen you guys before, but yeah, let me just.
Yeah, let me take you. I'm gonna give me your email address, Yuri, and then I'll send you a text also, and then you can just take a quick look at it. Like I said, I'm trying to help as many business owners right now because a lot of companies have been shut down and they're hurting right now, and they don't know that there are better ways to still, take care of your family and make money. You know what I mean? Have you been affected by the pandemic?
I mean, not really. I'm working every day, but I am trying to grow my business and get more people. So
Yeah. Okay.
jobs doesn't hurt. Yeah. So
Yeah, exactly. You're a smart man. Exactly. Do you work with other people, or is it just you?
I got a couple crews. So
Oh, perfect. Okay, yeah, we could get you guys a couple jobs. Like I said, most people don't know that these homeowners still got money, this stimulus money that the government is giving them, and they still want to make home improvements. They want to get their floors and stuff done, and all we have to do is put those messages in front of those people, and they'll call you for bids, and you can go out and make money. Plain and simple.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, just text me.
Okay, give me your email too. I need both of them. That way I can send you a little thing you can watch online too. What's your email? Your best email?
At Gmail.
Okay, Gmail. Okay, perfect. And then the only thing you said you're doing right now is Home Depot, and then you do Craigslist. Is that that's the only way you get leads?
I got website, small website, but I get I think Facebook a little bit, but not too much.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Perfect. And then what areas do you cover? Like if we were to do some targeting for you, what are your prime areas right now that you target?
I do Sacramento area.
Okay.
So the whole Sacramento area.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so that means like your Rosevilles and stuff like that, the Rocklands and stuff. You do those?
Exactly. Yeah, the whole even like going like pretty much like 80 miles around the area, Sacramento area.
Oh, perfect. And you guys are charging a dollar square foot?
It depends, as low as $1, but usually more, because it depends on the floor, the prep and all that. So.
Got you. What is it typically taking you to do a install? Let's just say maybe about 15 to 2,500 square foot. What is it? How long does it take you guys typically to install something like that?
Yeah, 1,500 square foot. If there's like the whole prep, floor prep and all that, like 2 days.
2 days. Oh man, we can really make some money if you're doing that in 2 days, and you guys are charging $1 a square foot. We can make a ton of money. Okay, perfect. So let me get this over to you, and then I'll follow up with you in a couple of days. Answer any question if it makes sense. I'll get your phone ringing, plain and simple. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Yuri.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Booyah! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, in the midst of a pandemic, on the first call with somebody who wasn't interested. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm talking about. So what's going on right now? Okay, let's look at this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, most people have in their mind that business owners aren't doing anything. Okay, in the pandemic, in the shutdown. But as you can see, Yuri is online looking for customers. Okay. He gave me his information. I'm going to send him some information by email. And if you guys are interested and taking a look at the presentation that I'm going to email him, you click the link in the description. You sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. And I show you guys literally my presentation that you can copy. And if you want to send your potential customers this presentation, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to send them this information, follow up with them, answer some questions, and close the deal. Okay. Another good thing about making calls right now during this pandemic, ladies and gentlemen, is that you can fill your pipeline. Let's say he was a particular business that couldn't actually go out and do something right now. At least I want to introduce myself to him, let him know that I can do social media for him. And when he's ready, guess who he's going to call? Yours truly. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you need to do. Okay. You need to be making calls. Business owners need our help. You hear him? He said, I'm still interested in building my business. Okay. He's working with Home Depot. So I know he's making money, so he can easily, this type of guy in 2 days. Notice how I was engaging him. I noticed on his ad how much he was charging per square foot. And I know in my mind, okay, too, that he's making a lot of money. If he can do a 1,500 to 2,000 square foot house in 2 days, if I was to get him 2 jobs a week, he's knowing in the back of his mind, he could be making anywhere from 5 to 6, 7, 8 grand a week. And if I get him 2 jobs, he'll easily pay me $2,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen. And that's all simply because I picked up the phone and I made cold calls, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you get good at making cold calls, and you may be afraid, a lot of you guys may be afraid to make cold calls. Let me just help you, okay? The more calls you make, the more you're going to get over your fears and anxieties, okay? That's why, ladies and gentlemen, I always recommend you guys to get a coach or to get a course that has good mindset training, okay? Because what's really stopping you guys, why is it 98% of the people online don't make money, is because of mindset. Why was I able to pick up this phone and make calls in the midst of a pandemic? It's my mindset. My mindset's different. That's why you need to be coached, okay? See, a coach will take you from where you're at, fearful, scareful, anxieties, not willing to invest in yourself, to transforming you where you're not afraid. You're picking up the phone. You're investing in yourself. You believe in yourself, okay? And when you believe in yourself, that's when you'll start making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And that just comes through mindset. Okay, so if you guys like that, you said, Maurice, you know what? I can do that. I can pick up the phone. I just need someone to coach me, or I just need a course where I can get the scripts, I can get the rebuttals, I can get the mindset, I can watch and follow along. What I want you to do is click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. And what I also want you guys to do is make sure you hit the thumbs up. Okay, it helps with the algorithm. Hit the subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, I'm going to be doing more videos like this. And I do a lot of these videos in the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. A lot of times I don't post, but I post live cold calls in my course, okay? So if you guys want a consistent flow of cold calls and you want to watch me do this, you can sign up for the course as well. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about that, because here's the thing. A lot of you guys think that you can't make calls right now, or that business owners don't want to hear from you. They do. Okay, and I just proved to you. So what I want you to do is start making calls. And if you don't know how to do this, and you have 1 or 2 hours a week, okay, excuse me, a day, okay, minimum, click the link in the description so you can sign up for the course, and you can do this, and you can start to get clients. I lay the 4-step process out for you guys, okay? But this is an example of what you should be doing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. It's time for you to make money in this pandemic, okay? During this shutdown. Why? Business owners want you to call them right now. So what are you waiting for? You can easily get your first 5 to 10 social media marketing clients this month if you do this at the rate that I'm telling you to do it, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's it. My name is Maurice Gear. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Pick the phone up, make some calls, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.